Shalawam Family, it's your sister again, Sister Ray about Yahuda Thomas. It's Vlogvember, and we are still rolling. The month is almost over, but I'm really relishing in these last few days. Today is going to be real quick and simple. If you watched my last vlog, then you guys know that Ruby Jane wasn't feeling too hot. Kiefer had been not feeling too well. My king, he wasn't feeling too well either. So I do have to go pick up some things. I may be able to bring you guys along with me. But for right now, what I'm going to do is get in this kitchen and get it cleaned up, because clearly, you know, multitasking, doing 1,000 things at one time. So I didn't get that cleaned up last night. So plenty of dishes have accumulated. So I'm going to get this kitchen straightened out and then make up some homemade cough syrup. So if you guys are interested in that, come along with me. Guys, before we do that, let me start off by saying thank you so much for my subscribers who continue to tune in each and every day of Vlogvember and each and every week during my regular vlog posts during the regular months. I appreciate you guys so much. Without you guys, this channel would not be what it is. So I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you. You rock, and you are the real MVP. And then for anyone who is new to the channel, welcome. Shalawam, which is peace in the Paleo Hebrew. I hope that you guys would see something that would prompt you to want to become a subscriber and a member of the family. We would absolutely love to have you here. This channel is a lot of a day in the life. We do some other things as well, but my life is full of a lot of happenings. So this is what we do here on this channel. So if you like a day in the life videos, if you like some chit chat here and there, some shop with me's and things like that, then this is the place to be. So again, welcome and shalom. Now let's get into getting this house clean and making this cough syrup. First things first, this trash has to be taken out. So I'm going to get my Prince Riley to take this trash out. It's a sink literally full of dishes, so I'm going to get all of these rinsed off and I'm going to get these into the dishwasher. And then there's a dishwasher. I'm not going to say full of dishes, but technically, because this is the load that was in there, it's full of dishes. So I'm going to get this unloaded and put up, and then I'm going to take care of this monstrosity, and that'll be pretty much it, I think. Like I said, there's plenty to do because I still literally have to go get this ginger and turmeric. I'm probably gonna have to go to Whole Foods to get what I need. I need to look for a couple of other things that a couple of my sisters have mentioned. One of my sisters mentioned getting some activated charcoal, so I'm gonna go look for that at Whole Foods. I know I'm gonna be able to find ginger and turmeric. That's not gonna be hard to get at any place really. But like I said, if nothing else, I'm going to definitely get this kitchen straightened out, wipe down these counters and everything. And yeah, I think that, and probably make something to eat for everybody. Maybe some toast and stuff. So yeah, anyway, enough chit chat. Let's get going for real. Okay. Ooh, you need my help? You got it? Okay, go ahead, baby. It's heavy. Heavy load. Oh my God, hold on. All praise. All right. Thank you, bud.
Welcome, Mama. I'm gonna take it out in the front.
Okay.
Got all those spiders.
Yeah, that's true. And because he's taking out the trash, I'm going to put the trash back in there for him because that's the least I can do to help my prince.
Crazy.
And what language is that?
German.
And say it one more time. Say, what was the other word? Like the Pinta, what?
Like the Pinta Spalding.
Like the Pinta Spolwagon.
Yeah.
And what does that mean?
Tank.
Tank. Wow. So smart. Look who it is. Fresh out the bathroom. How you feeling, boo?
Good.
You feel good? You feel better? All praises. What you about to do? Go sit down with grandma? Okay. I love you.
Love you too.
You gonna say hey to the vlog? Everybody was asking about you. All right. Okay, you can go in there with grandma. I'm about to go back in here in the kitchen.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, baby. And look at this one taking a nap. Y'all, I'm coming in here because I be watching everything. So I was watching Riley walk to this trash can. But that's Keeper knocked out. I normally watch him through this window right here. But this boy's already been out there and is back. I just heard the door close. I was out there checking on you. You was already done threw the trash away and came back in.
Oh, yeah.
My God. Okay. I think that's all the trash. You can go ahead and wash your hands with soap, please, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mom is hanging out in here. Look at Carlisle over there.
Got my mango.
All right, so dishwasher is loaded and started. Sink is cleaned out. The other dishes have been put up, which you guys already saw. So now I'm about to make like a quick snack. I'm gonna do pretty much like a brunch style around here. If it's tacos, nachos, breakfast, brunch, any of that type of food, they love it. So we're gonna do something quick and simple for this little, well, it's not gonna be like a snack, it's really gonna be like brunch because it's gonna be lunch, but they want breakfast. So it's gonna be simple. Just gonna make some garlic toast and some cinnamon sugar toast, and like in the oven. And then I'm probably going to fry up some beef sausage or something for them and make some grits. So I'm gonna get into that real quick, and then I'm gonna finish. I think that's pretty much everything that needed to be done in the kitchen. Now that I think about it, because I already straightened up the living room earlier, moved some things around in there. That room that we sleep in, it needs to be kind of straightened up too. But you know, the nature of that room being like kind of like a storage, is really not much we can do to it. So at least not that I can think of right now. But anyways, like I said, let me get into making this toast and everything for everybody. And then hopefully by that time my king will be back and we'll be heading to the store to get the garlic and turmeric. Look who woke up wanting mama. Okay, buddy. Okay, family. I was eating a piece of toast. Food is almost done. My king is on his way to the house. So I'm going to go ahead and get dressed because I told you I got to run out to the store. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'll be back. If not, Shalawam. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Hopefully I will because I want to show you guys this. No, I definitely will be. Because we got to do the cough syrup. Okay. Let me get my stuff together. And then I'll see y'all back. Here. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, guys, we're just leaving the house to head to the grocery store. So I will keep you guys with us as we go. So we're about to hop in the car and make our way now. Look who's awake at the end of the shopping trip. Khalil. Whole Foods was a success. Really cute store. Great customer service. And I found everything I was looking for. So that's a win-win and a super plus. So I am about to go in the kitchen and go ahead and start making the cough syrup. Normally I would have just done the honey and the onions. But since I was able to find the turmeric root that I wanted at Whole Foods, and of course the ginger root, which is not hard to find. You can get that really from anywhere. Normally I would have gotten it from like Walmart, but went to Whole Foods, they had everything. So I'm going to get that washed off and everything and cut that up, and then I'll put that into the cough syrup as well. So I'll of course will show you guys all of that. It won't take me long. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done so that can get set up so it can have its time to do its thing and be cough syrup. All right, family. So you guys have seen we've gotten everything packed in here. The onions, the ginger, the turmeric, the pepper, and the honey. I'm going to let this sit out on the counter overnight. It is safe to leave it out all day if you choose to. Like I said, it's going to sit out overnight, so about 8 to like 9 hours it's going to sit out. And then after it sits out overnight, then we'll put it in the fridge. We'll probably start using it tomorrow, a teaspoon at a time. And you guys can do the same. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer those questions. If you are not subscribed, I hope that you would subscribe and become a member of our family. We would love to have you. And with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for the night. My babies are ready for me. Carlilla's back there crying now. So I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Most High willing. Shalawam.